Nursery Class Advisor. And I am Teacher Arlene G. Maestrado, Kinder 1 Advisor.
I am Teacher Lilibet D. Camileno, Preschool Teacher.
And I am Guadalupe Sigiraton, Kinder 2 Class Advisor. I am Kisanye Lamela, Kinder 2 Polari Advisor.
Hello, I am Alice Ipayusan, Grade 1 Peace Advisor.
I am Anjali Campos, Grade 1 Science Advisor.
Good morning, parents. I am Teacher Rika A. Bulakinia, Grade 2 Hope Advisor.
I am Teacher Lizelle, Grade 2 Modesty Advisor. Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Farfay E. Gayo, Grade 3 Unity Class Advisor.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Sheila May Laplana, Grade 3 Courage Advisor.
Good morning, I am Sherman Hidalgo, Grade 4 Honesty Advisor. Good morning, everyone. I am Teacher Jana J. Zosa. I am Grade 4 Humility Class Advisor.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Jella May B. Villegas, Grade 5 Charity Advisor.
I am Mr. Martin Deserted Bus, Grade 5 Perseverance Class Advisor.
Good morning, I am Teacher Yasmin Lau, Grade 6 Advisor.
I'm 76 years old. I am not feeling well right now because I just had my vacation in Coron, Palawan for 3 days. Kaya man ang sila po nalitugan at